Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you how to create Google Forms with the help of the mobile. Now first of all you have to install Google Drive app from the Play Store. Just open the Play Store and type Google Drive and install it. Now most of the mobiles they are coming nowadays with a pre-installed app of Google Drive. So you can use that also. So this is the icon of the Google Drive. Okay, now first of all you have to open the Google Drive, and if they ask for the sign up, you can sign up in the same way that you sign up your Google email ID. Now after registering and sign up, the Google Drive opens and you can create any folder for storing all your forms. Now after creating the folder, you have to open Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome you have to type Google Forms. Select the appropriate link or click on the link of Google Forms, and before clicking on the Google Forms you have to open the website in the desktop site. So select the option of desktop site and then click on go to Google Forms. Now it will ask you the type of category. If you want to create the blank form, click on the blank form and you will get an title form. So give your title of the form. You can give the subtitle also, that is the form description. You can zoom in and zoom out the form according to your need. So if you want the form to be saved in a particular folder, then you have to select the upper bar in which untitled form is written. So you have to tap on it, and next to it there is a folder that will show you the Google Drive folder that you have created. Now select the folder in which you want to store the form and click on the move button. So in this way your form will be saved in a particular folder that you have chosen for storing the form, for saving the form. Now suppose I want to create the exercises for the student. So what I'll do, I'll give the heading of the form. Next I will, suppose I want to make a multiple choice question. So here is the multiple choice option you can select. Now you can select the images also. So you can upload the image from the mobile also, or you can directly search the image by clicking on the Google image search option. Select the image name and the Google search and click on the enter. Now select the image according to your need and double tap on it. So the image will be inserted into the form, and you can create the multiple choice question that is having the images. Now first question I am creating is identify the image. So as your multiple choice option is selected, you can select the multiple choice option. So you can give your own multiple choice option. In this way you can zoom out it, and if you want this field to be required, you will find the required button at the bottom. So select it, and you don't want this field to be required, then deselect it. If you want to delete the form, you can delete the form also, and if you want to copy the same pattern or the copy the same content, you can select the copy option. Now how this form will be viewed to the children or to your viewer, you can select the preview option. Now as you can see there is a preview option at the top, you can select on it. So you can see the preview of the form with the title. So in this way, you can create Google Forms. You can create so many questions like fill in the blanks, match the column, and odd one out. So I hope you will get a little bit idea from this tutorial